constitution? A constitution is a set of rules which helps the government to govern a country. So why we need a constitution? As you know that India is very wide. Hello students, we are going to learn about Indian constitution. So first question is, what is constitution? A constitution is a set of rules which helps the government to govern a country. So why we need a constitution? As you know that India is very vast country and there are so many peoples with different languages and different cultures that are living together. And to govern all the peoples with different languages and different cultures by same laws, we need a constitution. Now we have to learn what are the key features of constitution. There are some key features of the Indian constitution. The first key feature of Indian constitution is federalism. What is federalism? Federalism means the division of power. There are the government at two levels in India. The first government which is at center is known as union government, and the second government which is at state level is known as state government. The second key feature of Indian constitution is parliamentary form of government. As you know that we used to vote to elect our representative which goes into the parliament. In parliament, the party which proves its majority then forms the government. So the parliament helps in forming the government. So therefore we have a parliamentary form of government. The third key feature of Indian constitution is separation of power. As you all know that there are three organs of government. First is legislature, the second is executive, and the third is judiciary. The legislature makes the laws and the executive implement that laws. The judiciary checks whether these laws are in accordance with the constitution or not. So these are the three organs of government. The fourth key feature of Indian constitution is fundamental right. As you know that if there is a government, the government may be so much powerful that it may dominate over the people. So constitution provides us the rights that works as protective shield against the state. The fundamental rights are the rights available to the citizens against the state. Some of the fundamental rights are right to equality, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right to free speech.